Have you ever booked an appointment over the phone and felt a bit of anxiety because no confirmation text came through? I've been there, and that's exactly what we are fixing today. I'm gonna show you two simple ways your AI receptionist can send SMS confirmations automatically. First, we'll look at Vapi's built-in SMS tool, and then we'll connect Vapi to n8n for custom workflow. Let's jump straight into a demo.
May I get your full name, address, and the best phone number to reach you? This will help us book the service for today.
My name is Mike Parker, and my number is...
Thank you, Mike. Could you please provide your full address so I can schedule a technician for your kitchen drain unclogging today?
My address is 2564 Maple Avenue.
Great, thank you. Just to confirm, this is not an emergency, correct? If you have a preferred time today for the appointment, please let me know so I can reserve that slot for you.
It's kind of urgent.
Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for choosing Tech Solutions. I'm glad I could help you today. Have a great day.
So here's text that just arrived. Let's start with using Vapi's native send text tool. This is the quickest way to get SMS working during a live call with your AI receptionist. You'll need one thing up front, a Twilio number that can send texts. If you're in the United States, make it HTTP 10 DLC or toll-free verified. What it means is that if you're texting US customers through Twilio, you need to register your number so carriers don't block your messages. Two options, HTTP 10 DLC for regular 10-digit local number, or toll-free verification if you use an 800 style number. Just submit the quick form in Twilio and you're good to send SMS without getting flagged as spam. Toll-free usually verifies faster. HTTP is great for local presence. Step 1. Import your Twilio number into Vapi. We're gonna log into Vapi and click phone numbers. Then create a phone number and click import from Twilio. We're gonna need to copy a phone number you want to import and account SID and auth token. Let's go to Twilio. Once you're logged in, scroll down the page and you'll see account SID and auth token and your Twilio number. Just copy all of them and paste here. Once you paste it, click import from Twilio and it's done. The next step is creating tools. Go to tools and click create tool and select send text. Then give it a name and description. This is a default one, and settings, you can choose a number you want to use, and the messages default, and then once you set up, click save. Then go to assistants. I made a simple inbound call assistant. I use a plumbing company as an example. I set provider to OpenAI and GPT 4.1. You can also select 4, but don't use cheaper models because they are not good at calling tools. In the first message, hi there, this is Alex from TK Plumbing Service. How can I help you today? And the system prompt. In this prompt, the flow is set up so that after collecting necessary information, books an appointment, and then send an SMS message. This is exactly where you tell the system to send an SMS message. I put a download link for this prompt so you can download if you want. For voice, I selected Vapi Elliot, but you can choose any voice you like, it doesn't really matter. For transcriber, choose Deep Gram, Language English, and the Model Nova 3 or Nova 3 General. And the tools, this is the most important part. Make sure to select Send Text Tool and End the Call Tool. Send Text Tool sends an SMS message, and End the Call Tool lets the assistant hang up the call. Now the setup is done, let's test it.
Hi there, this is Alex from TK Plumbing Service. How can I help you today?
Hi, can you send someone to unclog a kitchen drain today?
Absolutely, we can help with that. May I get your full name, address, and the best phone number to reach you? This will help us book the service for today.
Sure. My name is Mike Parker and my number is...
Thank you, Mike. Could you please provide your full address so I can schedule a technician for your kitchen drain unclogging today?
Sure. My address is 2564 Maple Avenue.
Great, thank you. Just to confirm, this is not an emergency, correct? If you have a preferred time today for the appointment, please let me know so I can reserve that slot for you.
It's kinda urgent.
Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for choosing Tech Solutions. I'm glad I could help you today. Have a great day.
Thank you. So here's text that just arrived. Since I prompted to include a name, address, service, and appointment time, this message contains all of them. Next, I'll show you how to send an SMS using n8n. This is more of a setup that combines booking appointments in a calendar system like Google Calendar. Here's a simple map. Once the assistant collects the necessary information, it calls a custom tool that runs an n8n workflow. After the booking is made, it sends an SMS through the Twilio node. I quickly put together this simple flow. It doesn't check availability. It just creates an event in Google Calendar. So it's not really practical. I mainly wanted to show how to add an SMS step in an n8n workflow. So firstly, we need to create tools and click create a tool and select custom tool. And the name is plumbing appointment request. And description is use this only to book a new appointment. And async is on, and I added 6 parameters. Name of the person for the appointment, and the address, and phone number, and service type, the caller request such as leak, installation, or emergency, and date and time, and finally emergency status, which is yes or no. And I check required for all of them because all of these information are necessary for proceeding booking. Then put the link from the webhook URL and go to assistant. And the system prompt, I gave a prompt to use plumbing appointment request tool to send the data for booking. After collecting these information, it calls the tool, then this workflow runs. In the AI agent node, I put information like phone number, service type, address, emergency status, date and time. Put these 6 parameters here. And in the system message, I gave a prompt to create an event in Google Calendar. It's very simple. And once the booking is made, it goes to Twilio node. To add this node, press tab and type Twilio in the search bar and select Twilio and click send an SMS. If you use this node for the first time, you need to create a credential first and copy account SID and auth token from your Twilio dashboard. Then just paste them and click save. Then make sure resource is SMS and the operation is send, and put the number you want to use here and put the phone number from webhook. And for the message, you type the text you want to send. In my case, I included service type, date and time, and address. I pulled these parameters from the webhook. Yeah, just grab address and service type, date and time. And that's it. Now let's give it a test.
Hi there, this is Alex from TK Plumbing Service. How can I help you today?
Hello, I'd like to schedule a new water line installation at my property.
Absolutely, I can help you with that. May I have your full name and the address where you'd like the installation? Also, could I get your best contact phone number? This will help us schedule your appointment efficiently.
Sure, my name is Mike Parker and the address is 455 Maple Street. And my phone number is...
Thank you, Mike. To confirm, you'd like to schedule a water line installation at 455 Maple Street, and your phone number is... Is this an urgent request, or would you like to choose a specific date and time for your appointment?
It's not an urgent request. I'd like to make an appointment 1 p.m. tomorrow if it's available.
Your water line installation is now booked for tomorrow, September 12th at 1 p.m. at 455 Maple Street. Our technician will contact you before arrival using your phone number Is there anything else I can help you with?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you for choosing Tech Solutions. I'm glad I could help you today. Have a great day.
Now I received a message. That's two ways add SMS to your AI receptionist, native in Vapi or through n8n. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.